Capy has a dream, a melon juice stand, the best melon juice on the river. One small problem. A stand costs 500 pebbles. Capy has 11.
Capy could borrow it from the bank vault, quietly, at night.
Capy could not. The River Patrol has opinions about that. So Capy does the legal thing. Capy asks the rich Cappies of the river, give Capy pebbles to build the stand, and in exchange, each of you will own a small piece of it. That piece has a name, a stock. The rich Cappies are now part owners of Capy's melon juice. With the new pebbles in paw, Capy must resist one urge above all others.
The log can wait.
Instead, more melon trees, more juice, more profit. And the investors get a slice of that profit too. That slice is called a dividend. Everyone wins. Stocks versus shares. Kappas use the two words like nap and snooze. They are not the same thing. If the stock is the melon tree, the shares are the melons. The more shares Capy buys, the bigger Capy's piece of the tree. Types of stocks. Because not all stocks are the same, just like Capy's. Big old companies, the ancient orchards of the river, will grow slowly but reliably. Kappas call these blue chip stocks. Tiny new startups, a sprout in a paper cup, can grow into anything or into nothing. Kappas call these penny stocks.
Capy's cousin bought 100 sprout stocks.
Capy's cousin lives under a leaf.
Stock market, the place where every company's stock gets bought and sold all day long. When prices rise, Cappies call it a bull market. When prices fall, a bear market. You may remember these two. If a bull is in the market, Cappies are happy. If a bear is in the market,
Bear in the market, run.
stock funds. On cold nights, Cappies huddle together. Stocks do the same. A group of stocks living together is called a fund. The Big Pond 500 holds the 500 largest companies of the river. Fruit, mud, bridges, everything. And any Capy can buy a little piece of all of them at once. Low risk, mostly. The pond has weather. Hedge funds are the opposite. Bigger bets, bigger wins, bigger faceplants, and the door only opens for Cappies with mountains of pebbles. So why do stock prices move at all? Our Cappies want the juice, price goes up. The stand opens a second stand, up again. A Capy ate every single melon in the warehouse, down. News. Oh, news. A rumor that the stand is working on something super secret. The price does not wait to find out what the secret is. And that is stocks, owning a piece of something that grows or shrinks. Choose your tree carefully. This was Capy Cents. Capy is a capybara, not your financial advisor. And please, do not sue Capy.